I tell people a lot of times to apply for a credit card with your local credit union, because a lot of the local credit unions, when you apply for a credit card and do a balance transfer, they'll send a check out to all those companies that you want to do a balance transfer for automatically for you. So try your local credit union. When I applied for a credit card, I got approved for $6,000 with my local credit union. And they told me, hey, we need to pay off these credit cards, but we need you to close them also. So they actually sent the check out to pay those off. Nothing I need to do. I just need to let them know which companies. They already seen on my credit reports anyway, and then they mailed out the checks to those companies. So try your local credit union and see, if that's something that they can offer you guys. A lot of people really, really, really like sleep on these credit unions. Credit unions are really great, especially your local credit union, because a lot of times they don't have a lot of automated systems. Sometimes they do, but a lot of times the person you're talking to right in front of you can be the person that can approve you. And if you don't have the best of credit, and maybe you have a few things on your credit, you can be able to tell them, hey, I have this problem, but I still want to be able to, get the credit card. And then they can try to do some wiggling around of things to get you approved. So I always tell people, just try to see if you can actually get approved with your local credit union, because that may be the best option